Hello. So the name is Lils right now. Um, I don't know if I plan on changing it later. No, that's my name for right now. No, you should know me as that. But right now, what this video is for is to help out all those new players who are interested in using Nature Macro, and if they have any errors or stuff that isn't working. So yeah. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to download Nature Macro itself. So let's go over to the Google browser and show you how that works. Okay, so now that we're here, you're in your browser or your Google browser, you are going to want to search up Natro Macro. So Natro Macro. Once you do that, you can either go to this link right here, the GitHub link, this one, or this one, which these are probably all safe, but for the more secure and safer option, you could go to the Discord. So click on Enter Macro, the Discord link. Once you do, well, my computer's pretty slow right now, but yeah. Once that happens, it you know give you I already have the server, so yeah. It's gonna ask you to join the server. You should join it for the most secure option. Then you want to go to your Discord once you've joined it, and go to scroll down. This is where mine is. So go to your tabs, scroll down, and hit Nature Macro. Click on it. I'm already on it. Once you're here, you're going to go to the Nature tab and click on Nature Macro. Once you scroll all the way down to the latest message, which is this one, and where it says Nature Macro, everyone, Nature Macro release, new Nature Macro release. This is the newest release in version. Click on Nature Macro V1.01. Once you do, it should take you to GitHub, which is the most secure option, the safest option. Now, this isn't a virus, none of that. This is the most secure download. Natro underscore macro V1.012. That's what you want to download. So once you're here, this is the page you're going to see. Natro macro V1.0.1 latest. I'm going to scroll down to access and click on Natro underscore macro underscore 1 V1.0.1. That's it. That's it. Click on it, and it should automatically download it into your downloads, which you know I have them. Then you're going to go here, go to the file location, and if you don't, just double click, which I'm going to go to the file location. Once you are here, now just so you don't get confused later on when you're trying to open your macro, it will keep the same folder that's not extracted, which you're going to have to extract this folder. You're going to click extract off, but not yet. Actually, let's do that. Click extract off, but since I already have mine extracted, I'm not going to do this process. So click extract off, and then once you do, you're going to go to the file location that's extracted. So I'm going to show you my extracted folder now. Okay, so once you have found your extracted file, you should probably rename it just so you don't get confused with the unextracted file. I have mine on my desktop, which is the extracted file. So you want to click into this file, open it, and you want to click start. Once you do, it should open that up, a command prompt, and it'll probably disappear or stay. Now you can close this file because you won't be needing it right now, but you should keep it around because this is how you will usually open the application. So once you're here, this is an important step if you want to utilize this. You're going to start at the gather menu, but quickly switch to the settings, and now where it says character, movement speed, you want to go back to your roadblocks, to BSS or Beachfront Simulator, and what you want to do is you want to go to System, go to the go under to the character stats, all the way until you see your move speed. My original move speed without any speed buffs. Make sure you record this without any speed buffs, or you will mess up your macro. So this is my move speed without any speed buffs. So mine is 28.6. Okay, remember that. Now go here. Move speed. I already have mine split to 28.6 because I've used this before and it's saved in the settings. So do make sure you do that. Put your speed in here and how many bees you have right here. So I have 34 right now. And where it means hive slot, you want to go to your hive slot. So, all right. So right now I'm the fourth hive slot right now. So yeah. So one, two. Well, count this backwards actually. So this will be this is the sixth hive slot, the fifth, the fourth, the third, the second, and the first. I'm in the fourth one. So of course, go back to Ninja Macro. So you're going to change it to your respective hive slot. I'm in the fourth, so it's number 34 bees, which I have 34 bees. And now for the character, back to the character. Your movement method, which is called move method, is it should be whatever you can put on. So right now, if you have every single cannon unlocked, like the red cannon, then you should change it to cannon. So it moves with the cannons. It should use the cannons as the movement type. But if you don't have this, change this to walk. And then, it will walk around, the map doing its necessities. Sprinkler type, this really just is an option for a sprinkler, which right now I don't have one, so I have the setting disabled. I have it at none. But if you have, basic, supreme, you should put to your respective thing. Um, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the settings tab. So now, you probably want to know what your macro is doing at this point while it's doing its like macro run. So here in this tab, we want to go to the status. In this tab, I'll show you how to, actively, monitor your macro runs while not having to touch your computer. So first of all, go to this tab, go to the status tab, right? But don't click, go to the Discord integration, but don't click change Discord settings. Do not click that yet. You first want to go to Discord. So go to Discord. If I were to make yourself a new server for only you, and once you're in this server, you want to make a completely new channel. Mine's, well, I already have one. This one is just the setup one for the viewers. This is my channel. So sending pictures of what my macro is doing at the time. So yeah. Now go to your newly created channel, which is this is mine, and go to the edit channel section, the cogwheel, go to integrations, and go to webhooks. You want to make a new webhook, and once you've done that, this is the new webhook that I've made. Scroll down, well, click the arrow, scroll down, and put copy webhook URL. Once you have done that, go back to Natro Macro and put your integrations. All right, so once you're here, we're going to copy. We're going to copy the webhook URL that you have copied from here. Copy webhook URL, and you're going to paste it into this box. I already have mine there, so I'm not going to change it. But you want to paste into this box. And all these settings are just screenshots of like what you want to like monitor. So it's going to monitor if it's converting to balloon, collecting machines, amulets, you know, critical events like wealth clock, collecting wealth clock, or character deaths, planetary progress, 20 per second, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this. Now, once it's all set up, it's just gonna, once you start up your macro, it's gonna show what it's doing. And you're gonna go to the macro. Well, this is mine. I want to show you what it does for me. Every time I use it and I leave it, it always just posts up into this Discord channel. And it basically just allows me to monitor what it's doing. So, yeah, hourly report, hourly report just shows what it does in like within that hour, what it did within that hour, and just sends it to your Discord. And you can check whatever it's doing at any time. So, once you have that done, you're pretty much done. So let's go back to these. Since you're pretty much done with Nature Macro, you can personalize your own settings, what you do, what you want in a macro. So, example, since you know the status looked up the settings, put to your respective fields like pine tree, I have my pine tree because I have more bees than red bees, so yeah, I have it collecting stuff in pine tree. I collect different things like things like the love pond, camp blueberry, uh, pass, royal jelly, Spencer and stuff, and making bug farms where it will kill bugs. It will go into that respective field where these bugs are, these mobs, and it will kill it. You can either put it to loot it or kill it or not. I have mine to loot and kill. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this time. You can make it do other stuff, but this is stuff that you should study on your own time because this is all within your grasp of your hands, and you can personalize this to whatever you want to do. Boost? No, I have it to boost like every free field booster like this one on the HQ. It will basically come in here, use this, and whatever field it hits, it will go to that field and use that field booster. You can do the same thing in the blue HQ and at mountaintop. So yeah, pretty much for this you can auto field boost. It's just use all your items to use some of your items to get the best field boost. Quest, you can make it do different quests for different types of people in the game or quest givers in the game. Honey bee, polar bear, black bear, yellow bee, and this is the planter stuff. This is what it looks like for now. This you should again study in your own time. I don't know how to explain this right now, and this is out of my area of expertise. That's pretty much it for nature macro. Once we have everything like loaded up and done, you can start it up. You can start up your macro, and it will basically do what you want it to do in the settings tab or in the gather what you have it as it will do. So that's pretty much it for the video. Yeah, hope this is helped you. No, helped you get nature macro, helped you get the grasp of things, helped you fix some stuff if you already have it, helped you fix some errors or something. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye.